Gold and silver, after trading sideways or with modest bearishness yesterday, today has shown a very smart recovery where we have seen gold hitting the new highs for the near term at 2778, and it is just now inching closer towards the record levels here, while the silver is also recovered sharp and has come towards the next resistance zone at 3080-31. What to expect today from gold and silver? Can we expect a further rise, or there is a possibility of a reversal and drop? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the on the hourly charts. Gold is forming a support at 2770 now, and now 2777 is the level which I am looking forward for it to break. If it stays above this, you can expect it to move towards 2780 to 84, and then in fact we can see it breaking the record levels here. And yes, this support is now crucial at 2770.68, because and below that also the previous resistance what we had seen at 2764.62 is going to play out a major role. Only and only if you see gold trading below that, you can expect slight bearishness. Stochastic overbought here, MACD rising, RSI is also staying overbought, but the MACD is still signaling more room for further rise. While on the 2 hour charts, if you look at the movement in gold, rise retracement. Now after retracing here yesterday towards 2740, now it is looking forward to an up move, and it is creating a bullish channel here. Rise retracement, rise here, and this is the third candle in succession which it is trying to form. Possibly it can try to move towards 2780, and as I said, 2780 to 84 should be the next resistance which it would like to achieve. Notice that it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and it is putting pressure on the bands to expand. So where this current candle closes is going to be of prime importance. Yes, the stochastic overbought, the MACD again crossing over here on the upside, looking upwards, trading bullish. RSI is on the rise as well. On the similar observation we have on the 3 hour chart. See, notice what it has done. It has waited for the 20 period moving average to climb up, and see none of the candles closed above 20 period moving average, and it is now seen a rise here. Now notice this was the resistance earlier, 2764.60 zone, and now it is trading with the support at the same levels, and the next support, which is the most crucial one, is here at 2750 and 55. So I will say for the day this is going to be the level which needs to be breached by gold in order to turn bearish. So even if it trades below 2768, you have to be extremely cautious till towards 2750. You do not treat gold as bearish till then. What is I've mentioned this yesterday as well. Rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement. Now see, this is the retracement. This is the fourth time it is bouncing back from the retracement, and now on the upside, 2780 to 84 is something you should watch out for. Stochastic overbought, MACD again crossing over for a buy here. And if you look at this is the waves it is delivering this time, it is reversing from the half the way, and thus this is making me a bit cautious, because still it is not yet confirming a complete reversal. RSI back to overbought levels, coming to similar observation here on the 4 hour charts. Every drop towards 20 period, it has formed a support and bouncing back, and now it has formed the next support at around 2755-56. With that, we have seen a good rise here. The stochastic here is overbought, the MACD here is crossed over again for the buys, and the RSI is overbought. So things are slightly overbought, but it is still not showing any signs of a complete reversal. Look at the daily. Now on the daily charts, look at the preceding candle. Preceding candle comes with the tail here, and it has breached past the highs. It is now trading bullish. So do not treat gold as bearish as of now. Yes, it is looking upwards, and once it stays above 2776-78 zone, you can buy for 82-84, and then we can expect 2790. And this time I will wait for 2800 as well. Yes, it can breach past 2800, but right now yes, it is trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period, where the 20 period moving average sitting at, it is at around 2700 levels. Yes, it is looking upwards. Yes, it is trading bullish, and it is also at the highs here. It is almost at the top of the Bollinger Bands. The bands are expanding on the one side here, and right now I can see possibility of a double top exist. From double top levels, reversal can be expected in the coming week. Possibilities there. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought. So looking at this, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2776-78 zone, expected to move towards 82-84, and then 89.90 levels. Yes, and this time remember, if it breaks beyond 27.89.90, chances will be very very high that we may see a move towards 2800 levels today. Be mindful of this. And that could be also, and see, the double top levels is something you should watch out for, that is 27.89.90. A reversal from those levels cannot be denied, but that is on the buy side. On the sell side, now I'll recommend a selling entry at 2768, but then 2764 first, 2760 second, 2755 third, and 2754. Now any point of time today, gold trading below 2740 is the sign of reversal. As long as it stays above 2750, you should not treat this as bearish. Please write down and note the levels. As long as today it respects 2750, do not treat this as bearish. Below 2750 is where the bears will try to take over. You can expect 2740 and in fact 2720 levels, chances for which appears to be very 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 less. Let's move to silver. If you look at silver on the hourly chart, see first of all a sharper retracement, and it has come out of this flag. It is now looking upwards. The support levels now at around 3060, 3040, which is going to be the prime support. I'm waiting for it to break beyond 3090, 31, because once it trades beyond 3090, $31 levels, remember it is coming out of this double top zone. It is right now, if you look at the movement, it is completely within the box, which means $30 levels to 31, and this is the zone it needs to come out of. And once this come out of this zone, we can wait for a stronger rally. So now wait for it to stay above 31. That will confirm the move towards 31.2025 and 31.5, the next levels. The stochastic here is overbought. The MACD rising, the RSI rising, signs are still bullish. On the 2 hour, similar is the observation on the 2 hour charts here. Yes, taking the support here, trying to bounce back. It has to come out of this box, which means a very very important for silver to now trade above 31. That will be the only confirmation of reversal here. Stochastic overbought. MACD after hitting the lows here, crossing over and trading with divergence, good sign for the bulls. The RSI is rising as well. If you look at the 3 hour chart, similar observation. Wait for a breakout beyond this box, either on the upside or on the downside, means 30 to 31 is the zone where extra caution has to be taken care of. Stochastic rising, the MACD trying to converge crossover for a buy, the RSI rising here. Coming to 4 hours, on the 4 hour charts, if you look at, yes, just now you can see this, see rise, retracement, rise here, and now waiting for it to break beyond 3090, 31. Yes, above 3090 and 31 you can initiate a buying entry, and then this should be the breakout. See, previously the resistance here now has become the support, and it is now trying to bounce back with that. I will see if it breaks out of this box. Remember, this is very very important for silver to come out of this box, because rise, sideways movement, and a breakout should lead to similar rally. Now rally here from 29 to 31 was there, and now beyond 31 you can add another $2, means 33. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to converge crossover for a buy. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is rising here. The signs are still supportive here for further rise. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, what has happened here, prices have moved towards 20, 50, 100 period moving average, and if you look at the movement, rise, retracement, and this is almost symmetrical formation here. Look at these two identical formation here, now waiting for a break, and thus today's candle is going to be of prime importance. What has happened so far for the day, it has breached past the highs here. I will wait for it to stay above 31. That is the only confirmation of a reversal and a rise here. As long as it stays below 31, you have to be cautious. Stochastic flat, the MACD is rising here after forming the double bottom. It is still looking upwards. It can possibly aim towards the highs here. Let's watch out. RSI is rising as well. So looking at this today, one thing is very clear, that if you see it is staying above 31, you have to stay bullish for 31.2025 and 31.50 levels, the next targets. Beyond 31.50 is where the bulls will try to take the ride here towards 31.85, 32.10, and in fact 32.40, 50 levels here. But be cautious, be watchful of this. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3060 levels. Below 3060, you have to be extremely cautious till 3040 levels, and only if you see silver trading below 3040 today, you can say that there will be bearishness ahead. Then you can expect it to move towards 3020, $30 levels. Below 30 is where you can expect the bears to take over completely, and then 2975, 2940 levels will be seen. Below that, a greater correction. Chances for this happening appears to be less. So take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Thank you.